What's going on YouTube? It's your boy MaureeTrades back with another video, and in this one we're going to be covering a very important concept that's going to help you all make a lot of profit in the Forex market. The reason why it's important to know what support and resistance is because it happens often in the market, and it's going to be able to help you to adapt when it does happen and how to move forward. Alright y'all, so what we're looking at is GBP JPY. As you can see, this is a blank chart. I have nothing drawn on it. So I have a couple notes here that I want to share with you all. So what I defined support is a price level at which the demand for a currency pair is strong enough to prevent price from declining further. Okay, so support acts as a floor for the price, as buyers are expected to enter the market and push the price higher. Support levels is levels in the market where price is having a hard time pushing lower at, pretty much. And these levels often can be strong, but they tend to be broken at times. Let's think about support as a floor. So if we look right here, for example, right up in here in this area where I'm drawing this line, you can see that price is using this level as support. This is support, plain as day. You can see here that it's a floor for price to hold at, and it's rejecting at this level. That's all it is. Okay, so this level is where price is coming to, and it's rejecting, and it's failing to push further and expecting, you know, obviously at these areas, this is where price is expected to push up off of, and that's what usually happens. At times support can be broken as well, so don't think that just because this level is holding support that it's invincible. But this level held pretty strong, and eventually it led to the transition up in this area, a little shift in momentum that led to bullish power, and then the market ended up pushing up on its way. Okay, support can be found in small areas or large areas. So for example, this level right here can be used as support. We can see this level right here as support. It's a minor level of support. This is on a 4 hour, so on a 1 hour, this will look very, very clear. If I was to go down, and let's go swivel over to the left. There we go. You can see a clear level of support where the market is holding and it's rejecting that. It's failing to break below. Same thing here below it. You can see we have a level of support right up in here. Bum. And the market is literally hovering up in this area, and we're failing to break below it. You can see multiple touches, lots of wicking happening at this level of support. Very clean, very clear. So you can see it on small levels, you can see it on large levels. Even again, right up in here, you can see a level of support. The market is coming to an area where it's hovering at, it's rejecting, and it's failing to break through. Level of support. Let's find a couple more. We can see, and I might miss some, it's okay. You can actually go back on your own if you find some that I missed and just find it, mark it up, or however. Let's go to the left a little bit. Let's try and find another area where we can see a nice level of support before we continue. Oh, bum, here. Look at this, y'all. Level of support right up in here. The market is holding. We print a nice little higher low point up in this level, where price is holding support and failing to break below it right there. Nice. Okay, so it happens all the time, large, small areas, it doesn't matter. They're all valid, and they're very important when it comes to the progression of a trend in the market. See here, higher low points, bullish market, holding support, continuing on this bullish flow. So the opposite of support is resistance. So I have a note here for resistance, so let's talk about it. So resistance is a price level at which the supply of a currency pair is strong enough to prevent price from rising further. So in short terms, resistance is a level in the market where price is struggling to push through to the upside. It's literally a ceiling, okay? So think about it as a ceiling. If you have a ball and you throw it up at the ceiling, it's going to bounce right back to you, right? So it's the same thing here. As you see here, we have a nice level of resistance up here to the upside. And really and truly, is no right or wrong way to draw it. But for me, the way I like to draw them, and it seems to be very effective for me, I like to find the median within this area, and I draw my line of resistance. So at the end of the day, this is on a 1 hour. If I was to go to the 4 hour, let's say, I'm sure it'll look very, very clear and very clean. So you can see here, this was the level of resistance where the market was facing at one point. You can even use this level here, or you can drag it all the way across. And you can see all the way from left to right, this was a clean level. Let me just make this even. A very clean level of resistance where the market was rejecting from and struggling to break through to the upside. right? And the market is experiencing lots of rejections, lots of wicks and things like that. So at the end of the day, you can find resistance the same way you find support. You can find it at small areas or large areas. So for example, right up in here, nice little area of resistance. Bam. This was a lower high point as well. So I would have labeled this during that time as a lower high point. I draw cups at my lower high points and I draw cups at my higher low points. So bam, right here again, nice little level of resistance. You can see clear as day. All right, so we can draw a couple more. Let's go right here. You can literally go through the charts and scan and start practicing as you're learning how to mark up the charts and how to trade. Literally scanning through the market and finding areas and just train your eyes so that way you could become natural, and it'll become second nature at some point to find these levels of support and also resistance. So this is a nice level of resistance, nice rejections. The market is struggling to break through to the upside and push further, and it's failing to break it. Okay, let's find a couple more. Let's see. Bam, let's say here, nice level of resistance. Bam, lower high point as well. You can see the market is coming to this level and it's rejecting, failing to break through it. So you can literally go all day scanning the market, finding levels of resistance and finding levels of support. And having these levels marked off while you're analyzing the charts is going to lead you to building up an analysis that's going to make sense and is going to be high probability. Okay, so a lot of times people like to buy off of support, sell at resistance. As you see here, we're experiencing lots of rejections and we see a lot of bearish pressure into the market off of these levels of resistance. Same thing here to the bottom side. You see a lot of buying pressure entering the market off of these rejections of the support level. So a lot of people buy at support and sell at resistance. Okay, so I hope this was clear. I hope it made sense. Very, very clean levels of resistance and also support. Other than that, I promise you I'm going to be coming back with more videos, lots of dope content, lots of important concepts that I feel like you all should know and also utilize in order to become profitable in the Forex market. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe on this video, and also turn on post notifications for my next drops. Peace out, peace and love, positivity to everybody. I'm out of here.